Hello friends, I'm Muskan. I hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to my channel. So all of you thinking now what we will going to learn today. So today we will learn React navigation between screens. Like how can we click on any button or image and it will navigate us to another screen. So let's get started. As you all know, mobile applications are rarely made of a single screen. So if we have multiple screens, we have to manage routing between them. If you are already familiar with JavaScript and React Native, then you will be able to get moving with React navigation quickly. So for React navigation, we have to install some libraries. React navigation with navigation stack, and we have to install some dependent libraries also, which are React Native Screens and React Native Safe Area Context. This is the example of React navigation. We will understand this with code. So let's move forward with starting to write some code. First we have to install some dependencies. So we will check some libraries for React navigation and copy from here, then install from the application in your project directory. Let's install and configure dependencies which is required for Navigator. Then we can move forward with starting to write some code. So I'm going to install React Navigation and React Navigation Stack library. Yeah, it's installed now. Now we have to install some dependent libraries for React Navigation, which are React Native Screen and React Native Safe Area Context. So I'm going to copy and paste this command and install with npm. I'm going to run npx react native start. We have to follow the instruction which mentioned here. Like we have to import navigation container from React navigation library. Then now we need to wrap whole application in navigation container. Usually we do this in index.js and app.js. So I'm going to copy navigation container from here and use here like this. Now we have to follow the next uses for the React navigation. It says we have to create a stack navigator, which we will create from React navigation stack. So let me first import React navigation, and then I'm going to create a stack with create navigation stack navigator. Now we can use stack navigator, and then we can put our screen with stack.screen, and I will use my home screen as scroll component, and the title will be welcome. When I save, you can see here blank screen is showing. It happens sometime when we import some new libraries, so we just kill the app and open again, and you can see we have a header with stack navigator. So if we already have an header, we don't need this header, right? So I'm going in scroll component and comment this header. So we have now only one header. Now we will navigate on the click of this image. So let's jump to the scroll component, and we need to create a on press here. So for this I am going to import touchable opacity, and instead of view I am going to use touchable opacity as a outer component of image and text. So I am going to add navigation on this. So now I am going to add on press function, and for navigation I need a navigation which I will receive from prop, because we are using scroll component in app.js with stack navigator, so it automatically take navigation prop from there. So I am going to import navigation like this, and using navigation dot navigate where I want to navigate. So I want to navigate on product screen, so I have to add that screen in navigation container. I am going to add one more screen, which is product screen. Here is my product screen. In components and atoms I have product screen, right? So I am going to give title as product and name also product. Let's save, and we have name product of this screen, right? This is the key for navigations, so we will use this key in the navigate function. And when I save and click on picture 1, you can see I navigate to the product screen. When I click back, I am again navigate to the welcome screen. When I click on some other image, it's again navigate me to the product screen. If you want to navigate on some another screen, you can simply add your screen here with stack in the stack screen, and you can put that key name in navigate. You can add navigation between screens like this. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching. If you like my work, please do like, share and subscribe.